Inside a tech startup, behind the scenes of innovation. Yo, tech junkies and dreamweavers. What's up, Daniel here, and for this episode, we're tearing down the velvet ropes and diving headfirst into the electrifying world of tech startups. Get ready to crack the code, witness the hustle, and glimpse the future, because we're going inside a tech startup. Forget polished boardrooms and corporate suits. This is the raw, the real, the DNA of innovation. We're talking late nights fueled by pizza and passion, whiteboard walls scribbled with game-changing ideas, and minds exploding with possibilities. These are the unsung heroes, the scrappy rebels redefining the future right here, right now. Scene: interview with a passionate young founder, eyes gleaming with ambition. Daniel, so tell me, Sarah, what's the brainchild you're cooking up in this madhouse? Sarah, founder. We're building an AI that analyzes brainwaves to personalize learning. Imagine, Daniel, a world where education adapts to your mind, not the other way around. Daniel chuckles. Whoa, mind blown, but isn't the competition in this space fierce? Sarah, you bet it is, but that's the fuel, Daniel. Every line of code, every sleepless night is a battle cry, a declaration that we can change the game. And you know what? We're winning. Slowly but surely, we're carving our own path. Daniel, this isn't just about building tech, it's about building a tribe. A band of misfits, united by a shared dream. They wear their hoodies like armor, their laptops like weapons, and their coffee mugs like trophies. Every victory, every hurdle overcome, strengthens their bond, fuels their fire. Daniel, so yeah, there are times when the servers crash, the funding falls through, and the future looks dimmer than a dead laptop battery. But then someone whips up a new line of code. Someone hatches a crazy, brilliant marketing plan, and suddenly the room is buzzing again. Because that's the thing about the startup spirit, Daniel. It's resilient. It bends, it breaks, but it never, ever quits. Daniel, this is more than just a video, folks. This is a peek into the beating heart of innovation, a testament to the human spirit's relentless pursuit of what if. It's a reminder that the seeds of tomorrow's world are being sown right here, right now, in these messy, chaotic, beautiful startup havens. Daniel, so the next time you download a groundbreaking app or marvel at a life-changing gadget, remember this. Somewhere, a group of dreamers, just like you and me, poured their hearts and souls into making it happen. And maybe, just maybe, that tiny spark of inspiration will ignite something within you too. Because who knows, the next world-changing tech startup might just be born in your dorm room, your garage, or even your bathtub. Now, wouldn't that be a story worth telling? Daniel, thanks for joining me on this wild ride inside a tech startup, folks. Don't forget to subscribe for more adventures in innovation, and remember, the future is yours to build. Go out there, dream big, and make it happen.